beautiful, socially adept, culturally fluent. These are just some of the words used to describe the captivating Tvøroyri municipality. Tvøroyri municipality has around 1,700 residents and includes the villages of Tvøroyri, Froðba, Trongisvág, Øravíkarlíð and Øravík. This makes the municipality the largest in Suðuroy. Its history dates back to 1836, when the old royal trade monopoly founded its first trade store in Tvøroyri. During this time, there were only 10 inhabitants in the village. However, in 1856, the trade monopoly closed and the village blossomed into the center of commerce for the Faroes. Thomas Fredrik Thomsen began this progressive business movement by taking over the monopoly trade buildings for his own business. 2 years later, Johan Mortensen started his business as a merchant as well. Activities increased during the sloop period in the late 19th century, as Tvøroyri had the largest fleet in the Faroe Island. The fleet propelled Tvøroyri into a hub of commerce and brought an influx of fishermen relocating to the village. If capitalism in the Faroe Islands was born in Tvøroyri, the same can be said for socialism. The village became the headquarters for the social democratic movement led by Petur Mordam. This allowed for substantial business growth, fostered unions from 1936 until the early 1950s. Today, Tvøroyri municipality is well developed with a balance of both private and public activity. There are many industries and businesses in the municipality, along with all the expected institutions in modern culture. You can also catch the TB football club in action at their new home pitch in Trongisvág. Tvøroyri municipality encourages newcomers to the area and has land available for residential housing. One of only 2 hospitals outside of Tórshavn, Tvøroyri provides medical care with all of the modern conveniences. Tvøroyri's hospital also includes a retirement home and community housing for the elderly. The municipality offers a well-developed educational curriculum, a swimming pool open to the public, a sports hall, a recreational school, a children's dentistry, and a daycare for children of working parents. The royal trade monopoly was located here because of the accessibility of the harbor with a depth of 7 meters. The harbor has expanded a great deal since those days and now has exceptional service facilities, including Virgin Pelagic, a new, fully automated fish factory which was warmly welcomed by the local fishing industry. A ferry also operates from a port at Krambatangi, running between Suðuroy and Tórshavn 2 to 3 times a day. Visitors to Tvøroyri municipality will find a great deal to explore. Several museums, one of which is the old medical center from 1852, draw interest from tourists. One could also visit T.F. Thompson's old shop or enjoy art in Gallery Ochen. One of the most exciting projects in the region is the repurposing of the large salt silo in Drelnes, which is being transformed into an international concert hall. Visitors are also drawn to the beautiful landscapes in Trongisvág and Hvannhögi, artwork in itself. Tvøroyri municipality, where progress meets tradition.